Hey everyone and welcome to the Trident. I hope you all are doing well. The anticipation for the upcoming OnePlus 11 series has been building for some time now, and thanks to leaked renders, teasers and alleged pictures, we have a good understanding of what to expect from the phone. However, it can be tiresome to keep seeing the same leaked pictures over and over again. That's why I'm excited to bring you a comprehensive look at the phone in all its glory, and this time in a leaked video. For those who may not be aware, the OnePlus 11 is set to launch on January 4th. I will do my best to bring you the latest updates and coverage of the phone. If you want to stay informed, be sure to subscribe our channel for all the latest information. So here we go, this is the upcoming OnePlus 11, and this time in a live unboxing video as well as an actual hands-on video. Obviously the unboxing video don't show the included accessories here, but we already know the phone will have a 100-watt charger, a Type-C cable and a protective case included in the box. Now, as we have seen in the press renders, design wise it has a curved back panel featuring the same triple camera plus LED flash setup on the camera island that is fused to the edge of the device. However, the brand has opted to go with a round camera island this time around rather than a square one. The front panel is flat on the OnePlus 11 as opposed to the curved display that has been the staple of a OnePlus flagship for multiple generations now. The bezels on the device are super slim and the LED slider is present on the right edge along with the power button. The top left of the display features a small punch hole for the front camera. The display is set to be a 6.7-inch E4 AMOLED screen with a 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The choice of an E4 AMOLED rather than more cutting-edge options could be an indication that the brand is trying to lower the cost of the device. The device is expected to be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and the Adreno 740 GPU, which has been shown to offer improved performance compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the OnePlus 10 Pro. In addition, the smartphone is expected to come equipped with a self-developed super graphics engine, which is designed to enhance gaming capabilities with high frame rates and native images quality. According to a leaked video, the phone appears to have a strong gaming performance. OnePlus claims that the new smartphone will be able to achieve a frame rate of up to 120 FPS with optimization, regardless of the original frame rate supported by the game. The company states that during a 1-hour session of playing League of Legends Mobile, the OnePlus 11 maintains an average frame rate of 119.8 FPS and a maximum temperature of 43 degrees Celsius. The OnePlus 11 will feature LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. It will come in 3 models, 12GB plus 256GB, 16GB plus 256GB and 16GB plus 512GB. The device will have a 5000 mAh battery with fast charging capabilities of 100W. It will also come with charging brick and a protective case. The rear camera setup has been modified by Hasselblad and consists of a main 50MP camera with a Sony IMX890 sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide-angle lens and 32MP telephoto camera. It also has a 16MP front camera for selfies and video calls. The phone comes in 2 color options, green and black. It will weigh around 205 grams and come with ColorOS 13.0 for the China and Android 13 based operating system, while it will come with OxygenOS for other countries. The phone will also come with IP54 certification. Last but not the least, it will also come with an improved vibration sensor motor. OnePlus claims that this will be the most powerful and largest vibration motor in an Android phone with a volume greater than 600 mm3. So it will provide an amazing haptic feedback. So let me know what are your views about this device in comments below. I hope you have liked the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel to get more content like this, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.